is, I believe it's 6 something. It's about to be turned 7. I would say 7, yeah. Hold on, let me check right now. It is 7:40 actually in the morning. It is Sunday. So today I have to do the norm, which is wash clothes, clean the house. I kind of did everything, well, not everything, some stuff the other day. So I kind of like try to like dim it down so I don't have so much to do. I am going to box braid my hair today because I don't know if you watched my last previous videos. It was extremely too hot out here. It was like in the 90s, but it was still raining, but it's too hot. So that wig came off. But I'm going to, I think I gotta go to the beauty supply store too because I don't have enough hair. This is the hair that I'm going to be using to braid my hair right here. So I'm thinking about just having some box braids in my hair for a while. I love my wigs, I love my weave, but I didn't have box braids in a while, and I also feel like I've been touching my hair a lot, so I do want to do box braids. Box braids help me not touch my hair, and also of course make your hair grow if you take care of it the right way. So that's what I'm going to do right now, but I'm going to start off with making some breakfast for me and my son, who is going to get up in a few minutes. So I think I just heard him, but if he's up, that's what I have to do because it seems like every time I get up, he's getting up, which is whatever. So that's what I'm going to do now. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel. And we're gonna get this Sunday started and out of the way, okay?
Yeah, I find why I give you what you need. I know what you like. I really call me. Tell me something, yes, that I try to need you, but I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I got to live what I got. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other one.
I'm halfway, I wouldn't even say halfway, but I'm almost done. This is how it's coming out so far, as you can see right here. But I'm running out of hair, so hubby had to go and get me some more synthetic hair. Hopefully he gets the right one this time. But I just love the fact that I know how to do my own hair. I'm going to dip it in hot water as well. But this is my Sunday. Getting fresh and ready for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday again. But yeah, so that's all I'm doing right now. I got a couple of more to do in this section. So what I did was I parted it in the middle, then I parted it around like that. And I'm doing section by section just so I can see like, or make sure the pattern is right. But they are coming out so cute. So cute. I'm just like loving these braids already. They got their little, this right here is human hair. Right here, this is human hair. So I just basically, I had a ponytail that I will never be wearing because I just didn't like the way the ponytail dropped. So it's human hair ponytail right here. I actually got another one, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just cut this one. But I got a human hair ponytail right here, and I just cut the tracks off. I'm gonna actually cut some more off just because that will save me some time when he brings the other pack, that I can just add in the pieces. I actually did this hairstyle before, so I'm gonna leave the video down below if you're interested to see how I achieved and added in the human hair. So this is the human hair right here, and I'm just gonna pull off. I'm not pulling the long pieces out. So basically when you cut hair off of the wefts, it's a little short parts inside of the parts that you cut off. So you just want to pull it and make sure that it does not affect when you are about to break off little pieces or whatever for adding it in. So I like this hairstyle for right now, and especially because it's hot. You could put some mousse in this as well, and it's gonna look so nice, curly, naturey. I definitely should have had my hair like this when we went to that zoo. I was so unprepared, so that's how you know we gotta do it over. But oh, I don't know what was that. But anyway, that's what I'm about to do right now. I'm about to finish my hair up, and I'll be back. I'm gonna let y'all see a little bit more, but
The next day.
so y'all, my hair is officially done, baby. So done. I still got the black strip on because of my baby hairs. I think my baby hairs is laid already. If not, I could always do it tomorrow. So I just want to get y'all. I want y'all to get a full view of. Look at this. Look at these, baby. Tell me I didn't slay my own hair, okay? Tell me I didn't slay my own hair, okay? Because I know I definitely did. Definitely did, okay? So this, hopefully it holds up. Because I'm always touching my hair like I said, but y'all. Yes. Okay. I always like to do it like this, like some like, I don't know, I feel like the side part with box braids will look so good on me, but it has to be like this. Yeah, so when I do my makeup, yeah, okay, so good. And I'm gonna just put some mousse on the curly parts. Like I told y'all, it is human, so it's gonna curl up by itself. I don't like using that synthetic because it tangles up too fast for me. But yeah, comment down below if y'all like my hair. Okay.
5 minutes later.
Heating up some water so I can dip my hair in the water, and then I'm gonna cut the ends off because they are super duper long. But while I'm waiting for this water to be done, I'm about to cook me some fried chicken for my son. Just a little lunch little thing. But I already seasoned it. It has mustard. If you do not put mustard in your chicken, you don't know how to cook fried chicken. Mustard needs to be in the chicken, okay? So my mustard and my little special seasoning, sazon, all that other stuff. But yes, y'all, I'm about to cook it right now. And also cooking some vegetables as well. So that is what I'm about to do. Then dip this hair in water and call it a day. Okay?
Yeah, I find why I give you what you need. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Time is up to guess that I try to need you, but I need some lessons. I need to give it all.
So yeah, good morning. It is 6:42 in the morning. My son is not feeling good, so I gotta take him to the emergency room right now. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm getting prepared to take him to the emergency room. He came home from school not feeling well, so that's what I'm about to do. Take him, make sure he's alright. I feel like it's like some type of seasonal either stomach virus or something like that. But I'm about to take him right now. this is what I do. And this is what us mothers have to go through at the end of the day, and stay prepared to make sure our child is okay.
You don't know the pain that I feel. You've taken my love for granted, and you just wanna see it your way. Yeah, it's about that time. I'm gonna tell you what's on my mind. I'm fed up with you not being here with me. When you know love is all I need, I don't wanna stay. I really wanna stay. I don't want to go. I really need to know. Can we get it together? Can we get it?
So I am home now in my kitchen once again. I'm extremely hot. It's one of those days where a lot has happened. So I didn't do much this weekend though. I just did a little bit of handling stuff. I have to get, like, as y'all see, I went and got some new contacts, so they have been ordered, and I will be getting my contacts soon. My son is fine. He's in a room resting. He has the stomach virus or whatever. It is going around right now. I heard it was in New York, which is so weird for me to even say it, but it's spreading everywhere. Yeah, so I'm just happy that I took care of everything that I have to take care of, because what would it be without us mothers, okay? But I gotta do my baby hairs. I haven't been doing them. That's the only thing about box braids with me. I can't, I tend to like leave out the baby hairs, but saying I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it, and I don't. So now I know not to leave them out, not as much like I did like just now, but when it's done up, it looks cute. Also, it makes my braids look old, and I noticed that too. So my braids is not old. It actually looks good. I just did it. I just did it. But I got a couple of compliments. And I had got this girl number. Everybody be giving me their number out here, and I'm like, listen, I retired. I don't do hair. I do my own hair or close families, but not to say it like that. But I don't got the patience for it no more. Like, it depends on who it is, I feel like. But yeah, so I'm about to relax myself and put away these clothes over here, because I still got clothes over here folded that I need to put away. And because everything happened the way it did, I kind of got pushed back, because of course I'm gonna drop everything if my son is sick, of course. So I'm gonna do that and then finish some other stuff. And I do have to go to run to Walmart or Target, so that's one thing that I am looking to do. And I did want to go to the gym, but I'm gonna go to the gym tomorrow and start the week off fresh. Okay, I'm gonna start the week off fresh and get everything back into order. But yep, that's what I'm about to do. And I'm going to see y'all next time. Time and time again. Next time.